Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Focus MK3 generation 2012-2018 and we'll show you guys where to find the fuses for the engine control module. This is for your engine computer. You have 3 fuses that control it, so if you have a problem with it, always double check those. This Focus, we just got it and we'll have more than 200 videos on these things, so please guys subscribe for more videos, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. Now your ECU engine control module, it's located right here behind the bumper where this car is hit, and it's hanging right there in our case. Now ours is good, everything's perfect with it. The only thing that got broken, okay, you can see here it's the box and you can see your engine computer inside. So if you want to find the fuse for it, all you have to do, okay, open the hood and you have 2 fuses now, 3 fuses, excuse me, 3 fuses. So open that fuse box, there is a clip on the back side, pull it towards the back. Then you need to lift up and get this box out. You can see this clip, just pull it like that. Now on the back side, okay, you can see the fuse numbers. The first fuse that we have is fuse number 12, F12, okay, in our case 30 fuse right here. So those fuses, the good thing is you don't even have to remove them to check them out. You can see the element inside, there is 2 round copper wires. Check both of them, okay, everything looks good. If you need to remove it, just remove it. We'll show you how we remove it. It's not the correct way, but it works for us. So let me just grab a screwdriver for it. Okay, and now that's fuse number 12. So usually I kind of come on the side a little bit, careful not to damage the fuse next to it or to damage your fuse box. Okay, so it came loose a little bit at first. Okay, it comes off a little bit slow. Okay, just those are so inconvenient to replace, guys. Okay, perfect. This one came out. You can see this is the fuse. Now this is fuse number 12, and we have two more fuses that we need to check. Okay, one of them is fuse number 36. So again, if we come on this side, okay, let's see where fuse number 36 is. It's on the very bottom row, on the very right, before the relay. In our case, it's a 10 fuse. So for this one, I'll be using the fuse puller right here. So I'll go ahead and pull this one out. Grab it with the small side. Get it on top of the fuse, squish in and pull it out. Alright guys, this is your fuse, and you can see on the inside, the element on the inside, it looks good, it's not burnt. You can see how it goes around, otherwise you will be able to see how it. Now the third fuse is number 38, and 38 will be the second from left to right on the very top row. This 15 fuse now. Okay, so we have 10, 15 and 30 fuses that all control the engine control module. And this one is good as well. So when you're ready to replace them, guys, all we have to do, just push them in, okay? Make sure that they go in really good. Align everything so they don't go in without much force, okay? And install the other one. Pretty much that will be the procedure, guys. Please hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.